cats of God. Guys, after watching this video, if you didn't have a cat at home, then you should probably like to have one. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had some information concerning cats. Cats have unique behaviors and creatures that have so many secrets. Have you ever thought that cats have a supernatural powers? Experts have discovered some of their secrets. If you heard them, you will be shocked. After Adam, peace be upon him, cats are the first creatures that God has created. If you are ready to know the secrets, then let's get started. Those who raise cats at home, they know very well that cats sometimes sit by their own lonely. It's just like those things that you cannot see have a connection. The way human beings experience fear, they run after something without any reason. They fear something without any reason, and they run and hide. You must admit that cats are unique creatures. When we look back at history, we see that cat had a big impact in spiritual rituals. Anyone who was practicing wizardry should have a cat, because as per theory of thousands of years, it is believed that cat curtain between us and the fourth dimension does not exist between cats and that curtain. If I made myself clear, some people believe so. Of course, God is no better. But after a while, you will experience some information about cats which make you sure that cats are superior creatures and have secrets. Especially those things that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had said about cats, and that he also had one. The information that science has discovered about cats, it has been explained by Prophet Muhammad in 1400 Hijri years ago. According to Islamic belief, after Adam, peace be upon him, one of the two creatures that God had created was cat, and the other was snake. Cat, which have been created right after Adam, it had a supernatural power to human beings. That is why when a cat gets near to you and scratch on your body, then you should count that as a sign. Think in a way more than of that they are hungry. The subject could be related to you. We will come back to this later. First, let's check those happenings that occur during the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How did he talk about them, and what message he left us about cats? The Prophet's cat, Muazza, was white and black Habaji cat. In the upper part of its mouth, there were some marks. There are some beliefs that those cats who have marks on their upper part of the mouth are from the ancestor of Muazza. While Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was heading to Al-Uhud with his army, they saw a cat. It was a cat giving milk to its kittens. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, did not disturb the cat, and he moved the army away from the cat and put a soldier as a protect the cat. This soldier's task was to protect the cat till they come back from the battle. After they come back, Prophet Muhammad first action was to take the cat from the soldier and keep it. After that incident, the cat became the cat of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and named it Muazza. How Prophet Muhammad was loved Muazza so much, one day the cat was sleeping on the sleeve of his prayer robe. Rather than wake her, cut the sleeve off where the cat was sleeping and left. Because Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was very merciful to all animals. May some wonder what breed of cat it was. The cat of Prophet Muhammad was a street cat. One day, while Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was getting closer to the plate of the water to perform ablution, he saw that Musa was drinking from that plate of water. Prophet Muhammad waited until she drank the water. Then he performed ablution with that very water. At that time, one of his companions said, "Stop, Prophet of God, the cat has drunk water from that plate." Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Cats have cleaner mouth among all animals." Then he performed his ablution. After this event, all Prophet Muhammad's friends, if they saw a cat, they would put the plate of water in front of the cat so that the cat drink water from it. Then they would perform their ablution. In a hadith told by Abu Qatada, that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that cats are not dirty. Allow them to walk in your homes like one of your family members. You might have noticed that on daily basis, cats spend most of the day cleaning themselves. It is said that loving cats is from Iman. In one hadith told by Abu Huraira, the one who keeps a cat at home and leaves the cat hungry, he will have several punishment in hell. Those of us who are from golden area have a head in our childhood that if you kill a cat, then have to build 7 mosques. All of these are proof that in Islam, cats are beloved animals. But unfortunately, nowadays so many people expel cats and consider them as a dirty creatures. Loving cats is not found only in real Islam walls. It was found in other civilizations, especially the ancient Egyptians. They were very sensitive about cats, in a way that hurting a cat or killing one was considered crime and the punishment was executions. If a house was on fire, the first thing to be rescued was the cat. At that time, it was believed that cats are superior comparing to human beings, and when a cat was dead, it had to be mummified as soon as possible. Of course, every animal at any time should be loved and respected. The existence of each animal in this world has its own reason, but the question is, what is so special about cats? It could be that they were given a unique quality that we human beings have no idea about it. From now on, pay more attention. According to Abu Bakr, one day was very tired, and because of the pain of his muscle and bones, so many times he was not able to stand on his feet for more than a year, and because of that pain, he was not even able to do his prayer. Until one day, he rescued a kitten from a predator. After the kitten's mother came back and took her kitten, he said that after a while, from that accident, all of the pain has removed. But what comes after that is more exciting. According to hadith, whoever sees Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in his dreams, it means that he has seen him for real. After this accident, Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, saw Prophet Muhammad in his dream. Those things that he had told Abu Bakr are very marvelous. Your recovery was due to that cat give it to you at the thankful. Soon I will publish a subject about frequency of sound and its impact on human beings' body. So many things have been kept from us about the benefits of frequency of sound or the scientist Nikola Tesla has found, because the information concerning cats are frequencies that you will hear is about the relativity between them. Those who have cats know that every now and then cats purr. Moreover, It is like this the purr of the cat has an impact on our body. Each frequency has a different impact in our brain. The ratio frequency of cats purr is between 20 to 140 Hz. Concerning human beings' health, something very important has been discovered. It is not necessary cats get close to us just because they are hungry or because of love. We human beings of the recent era, we might have forgotten so many things, but the ancient civilization, whom their third eye worked better, they know things that we don't know. They may feel the power and the energy of cats, and that is why they keep cats by themselves. The sounds have a special secret if you want to investigate them. In the Holy Quran, Surah Al-Kahf, it is said this way: in that day, the human beings will hear that sound. It is that time of coming, that day. Of course, we die and we returning is to us only. This sound gives life and takes it. Do you know that in the last day, Israfil will sound trumpet? As Tesla said, the frequencies and the energy of sounds is one of the universe's own secrets. After a lot of investigation, it is discovered that when a cat is well, fit or happy, it purr. The frequency of this purr is between 20 to 140 Hz. Has a positive reflection on that cat and the human beings. In one of the research in France, it came to the conclusion that cat's purr removes the anxiety of human beings and calms down the psychological state. It has been noticed that with the frequency of that purr, the thickness of the injuries was reduced and the healing was faster. According to another report, those who own cats, risk of heart attack is less than 40%. There's really a big difference. Experts who believe that cat's purr is effective on our health are persistent on what other benefits this purr has. Cats listen to an adhan very carefully, and the experiments that have been conducted, they never appreciate the Holy Quran. Even if it was another book, they wouldn't do that. Those who did the experiments when they replaced the Holy Quran with another book, they realized that it didn't have the same impact. If a cat gets near you and rubs on you, it may mean that the cat wants to share a magical astral power with you. So I suggest you guys, before you move it away from your think about your action once more, because you may lose that astral power that the cat wants to share with you. If you do so, then the cat may not want to share that astral power with you. I should like to give you a warning about this full of secrets creature. No matter how clean it is and suitable to ride them at our homes, it is better to keep a distance because they are animals at the end of the day and may infect us with a disease. Since it has positive impact on us, it is better to keep a distance between loving them and getting close to them.